morning, everybody. This morning I have a very anxious Fred from the Haven Animal Care Shelter in Lubbock, Texas. And as you can see, Fred is pretty anxious. He gets pretty wound up pretty easily. I'm trying to introduce him to new things and kind of get him used to more things than just his kennel at the shelter. So hopefully this morning getting him out on the trail for just a little bit will help. I chose this morning for Fred because it's only 47 degrees, so it's a good temperature for his short snout. Not too warm, but the sun is out, so we're still going to keep it pretty short. And as you can see, he's very anxious, so another reason to keep it pretty short. So what I'm going to do with Fred, since we've never hiked before and he's still learning manners, I have a martingale collar on him, and I'm going to have my leash attached to that and tied around my waist. And then I'm going to have the slip lead around him as well, and I'll hold on to that. So extra layer of protection for this boy. He's very strong. He's very big. He's 70 some pounds. 79 pounds, I think, is what he weighed in at when we took him to get neutered. So he's quite strong, quite big, so we're gonna just have an extra layer just in case he pulls real hard or somehow manages to get away from me, so, which has happened before at the shelter. So we're just gonna try to be prepared. But anyway, I am gonna get that slip lead on him and we'll get going here. Come, Fred. Sit. Yes. Good boy. Okay, break. Let's go. We've gone about a half mile now, and he's just starting to slow down a bit and relax into this. He has no idea what we're doing. First time on a hike. He's doing okay. We're just gonna keep it short. This 47, probably 50 degrees by now. So it's nice and cool for him, but the sun is still out. So we're gonna keep it short. Up, up. Oh, that's okay. Good boy, Fred. Good boy, Fred. Sit. Good. Okay, break. Good job, Fred. Good job. sun is getting pretty warm even though the temperature is pretty cool. So we're gonna wind our way back to the car. We've gone about almost a mile, about a tenth of a mile short of a mile. So we're gonna try to find an out here and head back to the car. Good boy. Good job, Fred. Sit. Good boy. Okay, break. Fred, how you doing, big boy? Good job. Good job up the hill. Good job. So Fred is actually a very anxious dog, and so I'm trying to use hiking as a way to build his confidence and try to lessen some of that anxiety for him. Good boy, Fred. But essentially, hiking with dogs builds teamwork, helps them to understand that they need to rely on people for their safety and well-being, develops that relationship that's so important for good behavior. And so this is our first time with Fred. He basically isn't paying any attention to me at all, which I expected. He's very engaged in the environment, curious, and all that is really good. The more we do this, the more he'll start to engage more with me and realize that I serve a purpose here for him. And anyway, so I think I'm gonna try to get him out and about for some short hikes more often as it is cooler. We won't be able to do it when it's hot. But we'll see if we can build his confidence up a bit. Right, Fred? Yeah? 1.63 miles. That's farther than I expected to go, actually. And he's doing great. He's tired enough at this point that he's pretty much healing right by my left foot. He's doing great.
Big hill. Can you make it? Big hill. Yeah, good boy, Fred. You can do it. You can do it, Fred. You can do it, Fred. Good boy. Good job, Fred. Good job. There's that train again. What do you think? Come on, we'll go back to the car. Come on, Fred. Careful. Wait. Good boy. This way, Fred. This way, Fred. Come on, Bubba. This way. Good boy. Where's he at, huh? Over on the dock? Yeah, good boy. You did it. Good job, Fred. Good job. Look Good boy. Did you have fun? Good job, Fred. You did good.
I know, Fred. I know, Fred. It's not fair, is it? Get your water. You're a good boy, Fred. You rest, okay? You get a drink of water and you rest. You did good today. We'll go again soon, okay? We'll go again soon. You're a good boy. I know, Fred. You're a good boy.